If you own a Cricket iPhone, you need to unlock it to use another carrier SIM on it, thus you will see the SIM not supported screen on your device. No worries, we will show you work solutions about how to unlock the SIM lock of your iOS device. Let's get started. Run AnyUnlock on the computer and select the Remove SIM Lock function, then click Start Now button. Please connect your iPhone via USB cable. After your device is detected, you can view the basic info about your device. Then please click the Start Jailbreak button. When jailbreaking your iPhone, please choose your device model first, and then follow the instruction to put your device into DFU mode. Then, AnyUnlock will help you jailbreak your iPhone. After jailbreak process completed, please click the Remove Now button and follow the instructions in AnyUnlock. Before unlocking, you need to make sure that the Wi-Fi on your iPhone has been turned off and the SIM card has been removed and reinserted. It might take a few minutes to complete successfully. Thanks for your watching.